Hello, thank you for joining us here today at TotalMD. Today we're going to take a look at the ASAP list and the recall list from the scheduler, which allow you to manipulate appointments. Let's say we've got an appointment out here for this patient and they want to come in to be seen sooner than that if at all possible. If you come over here and double click on the appointment, you come in here and it allows you to place them on the ASAP list. So clicking that and save changes, and then once we go to the ASAP list, you can see that that patient is on there. So if you have an opening come up before the 25th of November, you can give them a call and see if you can flip them into that spot on the calendar. The other list I want to show you today is your recall list. So this list will allow you to put out there months in advance if you want to see a patient again at a specific time. So you can add a patient to the recall list by clicking New Recall. Then you can pick the date that you want to see them. Let's put it out a couple of months. And then you'll choose your patient. And then you can put a note in here as to why. So when you come into this list and you sort it by date, it'll put them in date order as to when they want to be seen. And you can come in on that date, check this every morning to see if you've got somebody you need to reschedule, give them a call and get them on your scheduler. That's all there is to using this feature in TotalMD. If you've got questions regarding this functionality of TotalMD, please give us a call. Our number here is 800-613-7597. Option 2 is support. Option 3 is training.